Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well and ready to learn something new today. Today, I'm super excited to share a beginner-friendly guide on how to apply eyeshadow. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your skills, this tutorial is perfect for you. Don't worry if you're new to makeup, everyone starts somewhere, and I'm here to guide you through each step. I'm here to make it easy and fun for you. Let's dive right in. Grab your brushes and let's get started. First things first, let's quickly talk about the parts of the eye. Understanding these will help you apply your eyeshadow more effectively. You have the brow bone, which is a key area for highlighting. The brow bone is right under your eyebrow. Then, there's the crease, which is crucial for adding depth. The crease is the fold between your eyelid and brow bone. It's where you'll often apply your transition shade. Next, we have the eyelid, the main canvas for your eyeshadow. The eyelid is where most of the magic happens. You can play with different colors and textures here. And lastly, the lower lash line, which is right below your eye. This area can really help define your eyes. The lower lash line is often overlooked, but it's essential for a complete look. Alright, now that we've got that down, let's get to the fun part. Applying the eyeshadow. This is where you can get creative. Step 1. Always start with an eyeshadow primer. This is a game changer. This helps your eyeshadow stay in place all day and makes the colors pop. It's like a base coat for your eyes. Just dab a small amount on your eyelid and blend it out with your finger. Make sure it's evenly distributed. Next, grab a neutral shade for your transition color. This will help blend all the other colors seamlessly. This will go in your crease. It's the foundation for the rest of your eyeshadow. Use a fluffy brush and apply it in windshield wiper motions. This technique ensures a smooth blend. Don't worry about being perfect here. It's all about blending. The more you blend, the better it looks. Now pick a slightly darker shade for your outer corner. This step adds dimension to your eyes. This adds depth to your eyes. It's like contouring, but for your eyelids. Use a smaller brush and gently dab it on the outer V of your eyelid, then blend it inwards. This creates a gradient effect. Remember, blending is your best friend. The more you blend, the more seamless your look will be. Next, choose a shimmery shade for your eyelid. This will catch the light and make your eyes stand out. This will make your eyes pop. It's the finishing touch that adds a bit of glamour. Use a flat brush or even your finger and pat it on the center of your eyelid. This technique helps the shimmer adhere better. You can build up the color until you're happy with the intensity. Don't be afraid to layer it on. For the lower lash line, use the same darker shade you used on your outer corner. This creates a cohesive look. Use a small angled brush and gently smudge it along your lower lash line. This step defines your eyes even more. Smudging the eyeshadow gives a softer, more natural look. It's perfect for everyday wear. This ties the whole look together. Your eyes will look more defined and polished. Finally, highlight your inner corners and brow bone with a light, shimmery shade. This step brightens your eyes. This adds a little extra sparkle and makes your eyes look more awake. It's a small step that makes a big difference. And there you have it. A simple, beginner-friendly eyeshadow look that you can wear for any occasion. A simple, beginner-friendly eyeshadow look. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting and have fun with it. Don't get discouraged if it doesn't look perfect on your first try. Have fun with it, and most importantly, rock your confidence. Makeup is all about expressing yourself. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more makeup tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Stay beautiful and keep practicing.